Hi everyone, this is Clara. You're watching Meghna's Kitchen. Today we are making amazing crunchy and crispy baby corn recipe. This is very tasty and flavorful also. Evening snack or side dish we can have. So let's begin our recipe. For making baby corn recipe, here I am taking 200 grams baby corn. Cut it in small pieces. After cutting this baby corn, we are going to boil it for 2 minutes. Add a turmeric powder and adding into this baby corn. I am not adding the salt. After 2 minutes you can take it off from the water. For the coating, here I have mixing bowl, taking 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of maida. Adding half tablespoon of salt, a little bit of ginger garlic paste. Mix it nicely. We will mix it really well. Just ensure ginger garlic paste is well combined with the flour. You can take baby corn pieces, coated really well with a dry mixture. Please do not add any water right now. You have to coat it really well with flour. This step ensure baby corn get super crunchy and coating is really nice. Here you can see our baby corn is ready, dry and perfect now. We will add a little water at a time and we will make a thick coating into this. Be gentle. We do not want to break the baby corn pieces. Now it's time to cook it. Here oil getting heat medium to high flame. Just take a 1 by 1 baby corn and drop the inside. Fry them until they are golden. After completely cooked, take them into a plate. Now baby corn is ready. Now time to make the seasoning tadka for it. For that, we will heat up the pan. We are not going to overcook it. Added oil. First, we are going to add very finely chopped garlic and adding ginger pieces. Very finely chopped green chili. Mix it nicely. Now we are going to add very finely chopped onion. Mix it well. And now we will add a little bit of dark sauce, very little. Mix it nicely. Now we will add half tablespoon of red chili powder. If you have chili flakes, you can add it in chili flakes. Adding pinch of turmeric. Mix it nicely. We will add baby corn into this, but add it directly. It will not stick together. So for that, what we will do, we will take little bit of cornstarch and we will take it of water and mix it together. Now we can add into this. After added, mix it nicely. Now let me add baby corn pieces into this. We will mix it together. After adding this, crispy baby corn is ready. This is not just crispy, super crunchy as well. And we will add it. We will squeeze the lemon. It gives nice flavor. And finally we will add fresh coriander leaves. Mix it nicely. baby corn is ready. Really, this taste is amazing, crunchy and crispy baby corn. So try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Please do subscribe, click on the like button, comment, share to your friends. I will see you again with my new recipe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.